it was funny. Even one of the justices, as soon as the gentleman Ben Agabera stood up to do the argument for our Attorney General, Louis Merle, stood up after he made his initial presentation, which is the way it goes. I believe it was Justice Thomas, who Ben had clerked for at the U.S. Supreme Court, said, Counselor, can you explain to me exactly how y'all are on the side saying this is unconstitutional when everything you filed before that had said that it was constitutional? Can you explain that?
I was going to ask you, I was literally going to ask you how awkward it was to be arguing the same position as your opposing counsel.
So, it was an August road to Damascus moment.
I'm really glad they called him out, though. That's one thing Chris and I were talking
respectful.
about.
But the other thing is, I do believe, as a lawyer, it discredited their logic and their argument because they've been on both sides and each time said the other side was constitutionally wrong. Our Constitution didn't change this week. It didn't change in August. Look, this was in this way I've tried to describe it. The whole enactment of SB 8, which includes the crazy district, has been a dark constitutional chapter in Louisiana governance.